Welcome to the introduction of the GBF Electronics 4-wire smart intercom system. The GBF 4-wire smart intercom system comes with an outdoor station that contains a high-resolution color camera. The outdoor station can be ordered with 1, 2, 3, 4, or 8 call buttons. The single button models come in 2 configurations, one with and one without a keypad. The keypad would be used for accessing or opening a remote lock using any of up to 40 user codes. The system offers two-way audio and on-demand video monitoring from anywhere using your mobile device. You do have the ability to check in on the camera at any time without the doorbell having been pressed. Both iOS and Android compatible apps are available for your mobile device so that you can access your intercom system through our exclusive Skybox interface from anywhere your mobile device has internet access. Optional hardwired indoor monitors are also available. The system components are connected using 4-conductor wiring between all of the devices. The 4-wire conductors are connected in parallel for all devices in each dwelling, creating a simple to configure parallel bus. Except for the single button outdoor station without the keypad, each device requires power from the supplied power adapters. The 4-wire system can support up to 2 outdoor stations, allowing, for example, a front and rear gate scenario, each with a single pole double throw relay capable of activating almost any gate controller or electronic strike. The system can also support up to 3 indoor stations per dwelling, which includes the Skybox. Therefore, if you are using the Skybox, you would have a limit of 2 additional indoor monitors for that dwelling. You could centrally power the entire system from a single high current power supply as long as you have the additional conductors required. Using our 4-button outdoor unit as an example, we can examine the connections on the back. When we take a look on the back, you'll see that there are 4 4-wire connectors, and these would go to the individual dwellings to connect to the indoor monitors and skyboxes for those dwellings. You'll also see a 5-conductor connector that has the normally open and normally closed relay contacts, which you can connect to your gate controller or your electronic door strike. And it also has the push to exit button, which when connected to a normally open switch can be used to trigger your lock relay in a push to exit scenario. Then you'll also see a 2-conductor connector, and that is a power connector for the power supply connection to this outdoor unit. The single button outdoor unit without the keypad is actually powered through the bus, but that is the only outdoor unit on our line of 4-wire systems that is powered by the bus. Otherwise, each outdoor unit does need to have a 12-volt supply to it. Our 4-wire single home outdoor unit comes in 2 configurations, one with and one without a 10-digit keypad. The 10-digit keypad is used for entering codes to trigger the unlock relay. This outdoor station is the only one of the 4-wire series that has a built-in keypad so that codes can be entered outside at the door station. If it is desired to use codes for entry to your premises using our other 4-wire systems, you can order our optional 10-digit keypad and card reader, which you can connect to the push-to-exit terminals of the outdoor station. Also, our single dwelling outdoor station back boxes are designed to be installed flush mount. Moving to the back of our single dwelling outdoor unit for a 4-wire intercom system, we can see that there is a single 4-pin connector corresponding to the single bell button located on the front of the unit. And we also have a 5-pin connector for terminating your locking relay and the push to exit terminals. As well, you can see a 2-connector power terminal, which is required for the outdoor station that has the built-in 10-digit keypad. The GBF Skybox has a number of connectors. The Cat5 connector on the right is used for hardwiring to the internet. The units also have Wi-Fi built in, so if you desire to connect to your internet via Wi-Fi, that is a possibility as well. 2 4-terminal connectors side by side are for outdoor stations number 1 and number 2. In this case, you can have, with our 4-wire systems, a front and rear gate scenario. The 2-conductor connector on the far left is for connection to the supplied power adapter. Our indoor monitor features a 7-inch color screen with speaker and microphone and soft touch control buttons. On the underside of the monitor are 2 volume controls, one to control the speaker volume and one to control the volume of the incoming chime. When looking at the back of the indoor monitor, you will notice that there are 2 4-conductor connectors, which are meant for connecting to 2 different outdoor stations so that you could have a front and rear gate scenario. One of the 2-conductor connection would be for power, and the other 2-wire connector would be for connecting to an auxiliary or external notification device, such as a chime or buzzer unit. Pictured is a simplified wiring diagram of a GBF 4-wire 2-unit intercom system with a single outdoor station. Amiss in this illustration are the power adapters required for each of the skyboxes and each of the indoor units. Note how the bus connections are all in parallel. Your skybox and your indoor station can be located anywhere along this bus. This can allow for the possibility of co-locating all of your skyboxes in a central location so that they can share a common internet connection. We hope you have found this introduction to the GBF 4-wire intercom systems helpful. Should you require any additional assistance, please visit our website at gbfelectronics.com and look up the manuals under the support section, or you can email us at info@gbfelectronics.com. We thank you for your interest in our GBF products.